My name is Nima Osman Abdi.
Khadija.
Dr. Chino Mohammed Ghalib.
My name is Mariam Abdullahi Tahir.
Aisha Mohammed Ahmed. Moved from Europe and I'm a mother. What I do is I'm a businesswoman. I started Link, Lifestyle Networking Club for female entrepreneurs.
I'm a banker by profession and I'm an entrepreneur by choice. So I've created Hoyunimo, which is Somali for motherhood. It's an online platform where we share advice for expecting mothers and also new mothers.
I'm a doctor, also the clinical coordinator.
What I do is professionally I'm a medical doctor. Now I joined WHO as a clinical supervisor for HIV.
Graduated from Master of International Relations and Diplomacy. I advocate. I just consider myself as a person who loves to talk about sensitive issues such as FGM.
In Somaliland, as you can see as a woman, they are now recognized as the backbone of the development. We are really struggling day by day for one reason: to be recognized as an entity that women can accomplish as much as the male can accomplish too.
I'm in a society who eventually I understand that they really appreciate women. They respect her, regardless, and they respect her, they love her, they pursue her to pursue whatever she wants.
So being a Somali woman here in Somaliland, it has its challenges, but it also has its advantage.
Good opportunity and it's challenging. So what we make, what is the challenging part is that it's a very environmental based on men. Getting privilege as men controlling everything. That is how you make you challenging as emerging lady, as outgoing woman, wants to pursue her life more and go up, having goals. And it is an opportunity that I can make my life better, because with these challenges I have, with these opportunities that makes me to be different.
Somali women's role in the development of this country is highly underrated, and I would describe it in one word. I would say that it's Somali women are the backbone, lafdabarta, nolosha. They're the backbone of life.
When it comes to peace building, we already know that Somaliland regained its independence in 1991, and Somaliland women took one of the most greatest part of building this country with their own hands. Either it's by their own hands, either by advocating for peace marches, either it's for advocating for peace groups. So women in Somaliland took a great part of building this country in terms of peace.
My message to the young girls is to know yourself, believe in yourself, and most importantly, never compromise your beliefs for anything or anyone.
Be proud of who you are. Be proud of who you are. You can be whatever you wish.
To have goal.
Don't follow the crowds.
If you don't chase your own dreams, others will chase it for you, believe me.
As a Somali woman, I have 1,000 messages to the world to say,
we are capable to do a lot of things. We are educated, we are powerful, we are humble, we are achievers. We are
making the difference. We are the powerful, determined, forward-going women.
That we are here, we exist.
We can do, we can make better.
I'm saying that I'm fully proud to be.
I'm proud to be.
Proud to be.
I'm really proud.
I'm proud to be
a Somaliland woman.
To be a Somali woman.
A Somali woman.
A Somali woman.
To be a Somalilander woman.